Here's something that most people don't understand about employee engagement. It's actually a natural process that develops when middle management breaks down silo behavior and starts to work together with each other cross-functionally and engaging employees as experts in their own right. You see, we've seen this over the course of years where just getting middle managers to work together as a unified team actually creates employee engagement. And here's the problem. If you have a bunch of programs and spend a lot of money and a lot of time on trying to engage employees, but middle management is still operating in silos with gamesmanship between them, ultimately, it's not safe for those employees to stay engaged. So, we start by making sure that there's psychological safety created by first working with leaders to build the trust amongst themselves, and then developing the high regard, respect, and value of every employee for their part in the organization's success. There are 4 levels to creating empowered and accountable employees at all levels. The first, B-State accountability. Yes, the same program that we offer leaders, we also offer employees because we want them to understand what it means to get out of the us versus them mentality and also out of the blame game victim mentality that people naturally go into in their organization, in their workplace. But let me tell you one more thing about our B-State accountability program. It also focuses on accountability in their personal life and at home in addition to the workplace. Why? Because we want people to embody accountability as a core value that helps communication, helps build trust at home, as well as building communication, trust, and high performance in the workplace. The second level is creating lunch and learns. B-State lunch and learns, but here's the difference. We have employees teach those lunch and learns rather than just depending on managers. So now employees are building accountability, improving communication, improving teamwork, all with activities that they design and they plan with our assistance so that they can deliver top-notch programs that are embraced by their employees. We've operated this in many organizations, and sometimes they'll have as much as 100 people showing up for these lunch and learns, and new people creating a whole energy and community around being accountable and transformation in the workplace. Third, we set up micro-learning based on very specific topics that are of interest to your organization. These are small videos that get set up and little small, both philosophical and behavior change concepts that don't take up lots of time from your employees away from the workplace, but instill a community based on common language from your leaders and your employees alike. And finally, we have a special, unique self-learning program called Meaningful Employee Engagement that actually is run by every supervisor and their team of employees. It's a self-management system, so they're actually working on improving teamwork, customer satisfaction, internal and external, as well as efficiency. At the end of 7 lessons, they write a report on all the measurable improvements they achieved as a team. It is a blast. And the teams that work on this actually set up a kind of a mini competition and fun rally all around the behaviors and improvements that they've seen change over time. And we even had one team that didn't make any improvements, but we're so proud that they're now having the open conversations to get those improvements. It truly built morale in the whole organization. So take a look at our website, bstate.com, to see more details on each of these programs and how they can fit for your organization.